Guys, in this video we will be measuring how much current this MR16 LED lamp is using. This is saying 5 volts and it's a 12 volt lamp. So this is an MR16 replacement for one of these halogen bulbs. This is a 35 watt Philips halogen bulb. So when changing, you need to make sure that you have a LED driver which will work with it. Some of the halogen bulb replacements have been rated for some reason at a low wattage, and they still use a lot higher wattage and a higher current. And if the LED driver which you are going to use with it is not capable of producing that wattage, then the whole system might break. I heard of a case where 2,000 euros worth of bulbs, LED bulbs and LED drivers were killed because it was not sized appropriately. So it's a good idea to check and measure how much current this is using. So at 12 volts, 5 watts, that would be around 0.4 amperes or 0.42 amperes to be precise. This LED driver is from 200 to 240 volts AC to 12 volts DC, and the max amperage it can produce is 2.5, so it's a max 30 watts. So it should be fine to produce enough current for this lamp, or actually rated at 5 watts it should be capable of producing current for 6 of these. Okay, so let's go ahead and measure the current. So let's plug this in, and I don't have power coming in yet, but I will turn it on shortly. This is connected to an AC source, and here we have the 12 volt side. The minus side is connected to the lamp already, and in order to measure the current, we have to use a multimeter and push the current through the multimeter. So one end goes to the power source and the other end goes to the lamp here, and we need to have the cables correctly here. So the black one is on COM, and then we have the red one going to max 10 amperes because the other side is fused at 200 milliamperes, so that's not sufficient. And then we go to the DC ampere, so current measurement, and since we are expecting 0.4 amperes, so that's more than 200 milliamperes, so let's go with the 10 amps configuration. Okay, so now I'm plugging in the AC current, and now with the AC current on, let's connect it to the lamp. Okay, now with the cables connected, we can see that the lamp is burning, but we are only measuring 0.30 to 0.31 amperes, so that's lower than expected. But on the other hand, it's on the safe side, so that by connecting 6 of these, we will be way under the 2.5 amperes maximum, and it should be fine to use this LED driver. But let's just do some simple math. So 12 volts times 0.31 amperes, that's only 3.72 watts. So this lamp is actually incorrectly rated at 5 watts, and most likely it produces less lumens, less light than what it was rated at. If this video was helpful, please do give it a thumbs up and also consider subscribing. If you're interested in more do-it-yourself videos, go check out this one next. Thanks for watching.